do a run video on this unit 3543. This is a 2000 Harley-Davidson Road King. This is a carbureted unit. Make sure that's an X.
We need to write test on here, but see how this is damaged?
Yeah.
I don't want this anyway.
Okay.
But you need to write test on here.
Yeah.
Because that sensor is obviously, we think, is keeping it from working.
Okay.
It's like,
That does have all the correct.
right. Yeah, and it's just the one on top of the transmission.
Yeah.
Like I said, based on the condition, yeah, write test on the gauge face. You've noted it on the page about the speed sensor. You wrote test on the gauge head. All right. You already
Oh,
wrote
that's
it.
right.
Yeah. So go ahead and fire it up again
Okay.
and let it idle. So on there, right, intake leak front rear cylinder. Down here, right?
Yep.
So this shows you verified it. There you go. At front and back cylinder. Okay.
Cool.
They asked us how we could put spray test on it and the side.